Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Saurabh's classes. Today we are solving a beautiful Jadavpur University UG entrance mathematics question. Now let me tell you something about the Jadavpur University entrance examination first. This examination is famous for asking questions that are conceptual but deadly simple if your fundamentals are strong. Okay, so they don't always want the lengthy calculations. Sometimes they just test whether your brain says like, yeah, আমি তো এই প্যাটার্নটা জানি, I know this pattern. Okay, so today's question is exactly of that type. Now, this is the kind of question where the students either solve it in 10 seconds or stare at it like it's an alien message from the Mars. So, first we will read the question, then we will solve it. Okay, so first, read it. If f dash x is fx with f0 equal to 1, then the value of f 2025 is what? A says 2025, B says e to the power 2024, C says e to the power 2025, and D says 2024. Okay, so f dash x equal to fx যেখানে f0 equal to 1 হলে f 2025 এর ভ্যালু কি হবে সেটা আমাদেরকে এখানে বের করতে হবে। ওকে, সো লেটস ডু ইট। Just a second. Let me delete this line first. Okay, so let's start. Now, f dash x is equal to fx. What does it actually mean? It means the derivative of the function is equal to the function itself, right? Now think carefully. Normal derivatives change the functions, like derivative of, x square. This will be 2x. And the derivative of sine x, this will be cos x. So the function changes identity after the differentiation, right? But here the function is saying like differentiate me all you want, but I'll still remain the same. Okay, so this is a very rare personality trait in the mathematics. Now, who is the Shah Rukh Khan of the functions? Who remains the same no matter how many times you differentiate? The answer is basically e to the power x. Yes, because dtx of e to the power x is what? E to the power x, right? Again derivative, still e to the power x. Again, still e to the power x. So this function has infinite self-confidence, you can say. Now, whenever you see like f dash x is equal to f of x, the general solution is f of x is c into e to the power x, where c is the constant. All right. Now, let's derive it smoothly. We know df dx is f, or rearrange. This is dx. Now integrate both the sides. 1 by f df is integration of dx. Okay, so we get natural log of f is x plus c. Now f is e to the power x plus c. Now using the exponent rule, we can say that f equal to e to the power c into e to the power x. Now e to the power c is just another constant. So f of x is basically c into e to the power x. Alright. Now, this differential equation is one of the most important equations in the universe. Why? Because exponential growth appears everywhere, like the population growth, radioactive decay, compound interest, AI growth, bacteria growth, charging or discharging the circuits. So nature itself loves the exponential functions. Now we use f of 0. This is 1. Substitute in f of x is equal to c into e to the power x. So f of 0 is c into e to the power 0. But we know that e to the power 0 is 1. Right? Therefore, we can say c is 1. Hence, f of x is e to the power x. Okay? Now, simply substitute f of 2025 is equal to e to the power 2025. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is our option number C, e to the power 2025. All right. Now imagine differentiating e to the power x again and again. So other functions become very tired. Like x to the power 5, this becomes 5 into x to the power 4, and this becomes 20x cube, and this tends to 0. But e to the power h says like, bro, I can do this all the day. Now, in the competitive examinations, the examiner wants to see whether you recognize the pattern instantly or not. The moment you see that f dash is f, your brain should immediately scream like e to the power x. Okay, this saves a huge time. Now, more generally, if f dash x is equal to k into fx, then fx is c into e to the power kx. For example, I'm telling you, if f dash x is 3 into fx, then f of x will be c into e to the power 3x. Very important for the differential equations. All right. Now, for f of x is equal to e to the power x, we have f equal to f dash, this is equal to f double dash, this is equal to f triple dash, and so on. So that means every derivative is identical, and this is why the exponential functions are magical in the calculus. So today we have learned something very powerful. Whenever a function equals to its own derivative, that is f of f dash x is f of x, the function must be exponential. Okay? And with the condition f of 0 is 1. And the function becomes e to the power x. Hence, f of 2025 will be e to the power 2025. Done. Simple question, right? But hidden inside it is one of the deepest ideas of the calculus. All right. So I think uh, this question is clear to you now. So we will meet at the next session with a new question of the Jadavpur University UG entrance examination, mathematics. Okay. Till then, bye bye.